the first thing that you have to consider is that your surface of your helmet is perfectly clean, so you should clean your helmet first. So here we have TUYU chin mount for motorcycle helmet. So this should be universal for any helmet, and in this video I will try to show you how to mount this particular TUYU chin mount to my helmet. This is a Kaberg Drift Evo. Let's go. You may need another hand, so you may ask somebody to hold your helmet. You get TUYU chin mount, you see, and then you get two of these 3M stickers that you should put on the back side of the chin mount. So this is the way like it should be on your helmet. The most important thing is to find the best fit on your helmet, so where the chin mount will be very stable, or let's say well attached. It is not important on which way you turn the sticker 3M, because on every side, so both sides are the same. So it is ready to fix it. So you should press here for the better grip. Okay, let's see. It seems okay. Here you see that it is very strong, so the glue on this 3M tape, it's strong enough to really hold this mount, and hopefully also to hold the the camera. Okay, let's check if the chin mount is ready. As you see, it seems okay. So it seems okay. I hope that it will hold my action cam.